first ball he made. That was Sharpul Thakur. That was gate number 36. That was last year. And Vaibhav Suryavanshi is already putting on a show.
Someone calling on Musk. There's rockets taking off early tonight.
Not straight this time. He's accessing all parts of Kawai Mountain. Oh my word. He is definitely a wonder kid. Back of the length. Gives himself room. And just go through with it. That's incredible hitting. 3 sixes back to back. That's your response from Suryavanshi. Yeah, how cruel the game can be. The first man to pick up 3 wickets in that over. And he's gone for 3 sixes against the very same opposition. Goes over mid on. Does it go all the way? Yes, it does. Just clearing the boundary. 6, 6, 6, 6 to finish the first. Already on a roll. 25 and up run. Wow. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. He's got the crowd at his feet. Sometimes it's almost surreal for even his teammates. Just clearing for a moment. And Cummins could have thought that he's got his man, but not to be. 11 runs coming up with 36 with us.
This kid is absolutely amazing.
And on the deep side square it goes and take a drive on over. BBC's running around in the last couple of days. Catches are going down. Aniket Farmer. Control the ball. Salt into the wood. Catch runs, no runs.
It's frustrating because this young man is incredible talent.
That will go to 6. It is a 6 of excess for Vaibhav Suryavanshi. The fastest half century of this season is 15 deliveries. He's looking over 3.
Anything at him when he goes for it.
That will be a half century of 15 deliveries. He ties his own record from earlier in the season. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is now also the youngest to achieve 1,000 runs in T20 cricket.
Bit of a forward press and then uses the bounce to good effect. He's underneath the bounce and lets his arms go freely. That's half century for them.
That's gone. It's almost like it's baseball, really. It was that short that Shivan trying to keep it out of that drive.
This is something he likes. It's not going to deter him. The moment he saw a bit of pace from the spinner.
On the ground again, and another boundary. He's dealing in boundary. The 50 partnership from 29, 92 for 1.
Touch out there. He's inside. One rolling.
Oh, there he goes. Stop on there. Not short. He's gone. Ooh, and he's gone back over his head. Back. 104 for 1 off night.
Trying to pace. Doesn't matter. It's a skiller that goes cutting away from full ball. And we've got all the ones out for the Royals. Took it out on the flags. 1 for 1. Right? It's a little shorter. That's what happens. Oh, he's a spot. He's in the 80s now. Suryavanshi.
Someone on his feet. Good enough to that right hand of it this level 2 right now. Suryavanshi.
No! This is like 7-9-4. Back to Chapel. Having partnership and style. Holy smoke! 10 maximum from Suryavanshi. What he's seen as the leader's box, he's dragging back his speed, switching to the ball, and then just puts his leg further up towards the batter. That's gone a long way.
That's gone. That'll take him closer. Closer to another 193 for Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
You just can't bowl here. That's a bad ball. But it's in the wheelhouse of Suryavanshi. You don't mind on good wickets when batters play good shots to good deliveries, but cannot be loose.
Oh, this is too easy. It really is too easy. For this kid. He's a kid. Pumping grown men around the park.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi is all over him at the moment, and he pumps it over mid off.
He continues to break records and set his own legacy. Vaibhav Suryavanshi second IPL 100. Almost a year removed from scoring his first as a 14-year-old. He's 15 now, and there seems no stopping him.